Is Suno AI not working for you? Whether the website won't load, songs won't generate, or you're running into unexpected errors, there are several simple troubleshooting steps you can try. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Suno AI not working in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Refresh the page and try opening other websites to confirm that your connection is working properly. A slow or unstable connection can prevent Suno AI from loading or generating music. If your internet is working, the problem may be on Suno AI's side. Check the official Suno AI status page or social media channels to see if there's a temporary outage or maintenance. Yeah, server issues usually affect many users at the same time. Next, sign out of your account, refresh the page, and sign back in. If that doesn't help clear your browser's cache and cookies, then reopen the website. Cached data can sometimes cause login or loading problems. If the issue continues, open Suno AI in a different web browser or on another device. You can also disable browser extensions that might interfere with the website. Take a moment to see whether the problem happens everywhere or only in one browser. If you're able to sign in but can't generate music, check your account's status and available generation credits. Free plans have usage limits, and you'll need available credits before creating more songs. Reaching your usage limit can temporarily prevent new generations. If none of these solutions work, visit the Suno AI Help Center or contact support. Include details about the issue, your browser, device, and any error messages you receive. So you've learned the most effective ways to fix Suno AI when it's not working, and that's how to fix Suno AI not working. Most issues can be solved by checking your connection, refreshing your browser, verifying your account, or waiting for temporary server problems to be resolved. If the issue continues after trying these steps, contacting Suno AI support is your best next option. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.